Good morning, dear students. Hope you are clear with models, with the rules, and you might have written the rules of models in your fair notebook in English B. Now let's do models in practice book. Worksheet number 1. Read the following sentences. The team has to win the quiz qualifying match to be able to play in the World Cup. The team has to. But the team is one, so we are going to use has with it. They have to pass the entrance exam for getting admission in the college. They have to. It's a compulsion for them to pass the entrance exam for getting admission in the college. Remember, has to and have to are used to tell that there is no option but to do something. आपके पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है, आपको करना ही पड़ेगा. इट्स अ कंपल्शन. द कैंडिडेट हैज़ टू क्लियर द इंटरव्यू फॉर गेटिंग द जॉब. सो देयर इज़ नो अदर ऑप्शन लेफ्ट फॉर विद हिम जस्ट टू क्लियर द इंटरव्यू. Okay, discuss with your partner and write a few things that students have to do in this school. First of all, basically it is your thing, but I'm just discussing it with you. Students have to come in proper uniform to the school. They have to follow discipline. They have to attend morning assembly. They have to obey their teachers. They have to do their work. They have to do their homework. They have to follow all the norms of the school. All right, I think these are enough. Rest you can do write yourself as well. If there are certain points that come in your mind, you can write yourself. Now worksheet number 3. Read the following. Principal, Mrs. Jen, you have to accompany 2 students of class 8 to a quiz competition in XYZ public school. Principal is informing some teacher named Mrs. Jan that she had to go with them, take 2 children to the XYZ public school. You must reach the venue at 8 a.m. She is telling that it's must, you must, that is there is time limit is the given time limit is there, so she should reach there by 9. All the participants have to wear a white uniform and red badges. उनको पहनने ही पड़ेंगे. They don't have any other option. Without the uniform they will not be able to enter in the competition. That means okay. Now remember, must and have to are used to express necessity or compulsion. In most of the cases, these two can be used interchangeably. We can use either of them. There is a slight difference between have to and must. In must, the authority insistence comes from the speaker. The speaker कह रहा है कि आपको करना ही पड़ेगा. In have to, the authority insistence comes from outside the speaker, such as law, rules. When there is no compulsion from laws or rules, then there is no option left. Then we use have to. You must reach the airport at 8 p.m. I insist that. Your friend is insisting that or telling you that. You have to reach the airport 3 hours before your flight time. That is the rule. You cannot change it. Okay, in have to you cannot modify anything. You have to do it. It's a very compulsory thing. And must can be used likewise. Now fill in the blanks with must and have to. In some cases it is possible to use either of them. You participate in this drawing competition. I am sure you will win. Beta, it's must or have to. You must participate in this drawing competition. I am sure you will win. Maybe she is good at that, and that's why someone is encouraging you to participate. So over here it would be must. My bus stop is half a kilometer away from my house, so I walk down to the stop daily. There is no option left. ओके, हाफ अ किलोमीटर मेरे घर से बस स्टॉप दूर है, तो मुझे रोज़ क्या करना पड़ता है, आना चलना ही पड़ता है. सो आई हैव टू वॉक डाउन टू स्टॉप डेली. यू गेट द परमिशन लेटर फ्रॉम योर पेरेंट्स इफ़ यू वांट टू गो ऑन द स्कूल पिकनिक. दैट्स द हेड मास्टर ऑर्डर. कहते कि आपके पास कोई ऑप्शन है ही नहीं. अगर आप स्कूल पिकनिक पे जाना है तो आपको पेरेंट्स का सिग्नेचर चाहिए. देयर इज़ नो अदर ऑप्शन. सो यू हैव टू गेट द परमिशन लेटर फ्रॉम योर पेरेंट्स if you want to go on the school picnic. That's the headmaster's order. Next one, he get his passport made at the earliest if he wants to travel abroad. See, if there is no he get his passport made at the earliest. उसको अपना पासपोर्ट जल्दी बनाना पड़ेगा अगर उसे abroad जाना है. he must get his passport made at the earliest if he wants to travel abroad. आई कान गो आउट फॉर साइकिलिंग टुडे, आई कंप्लीट माई होमवर्क, कि मैं आज साइकिलिंग के लिए जा नहीं सकता क्योंकि मुझे आज अपना होमवर्क कंप्लीट करना ही करना है. मे बी देर इज़ submission date, last date, or you can say, so I have to complete my homework. I can't go out for cycling today, I have to complete my homework. Girls, dash not wear fancy pieces of jewelry to my class, I warn you. See, it's a warning, it's a prohibition, so girls must not wear. Okay, girls must not wear fancy pieces of jewelry to my class, I warn you. The teacher is giving warning over here. Sarita sings really well. She dashed learn classical music to hone her skills further, that is to improve her skills further. Sarita sings really well. She must learn. I mean, it's a good thing, it's a suggestion for her, you know. All the cadets in the NDA dash undergo a rigorous training. दे हैव टू गो. राइग्रेस होता है बेटा बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट ट्रेनिंग. हमें जो भी कैडेट्स NDA में आते हैं, अपने आप परमिशन लेके आते हैं, उनको एक बहुत ही टफ ट्रेनिंग के थ्रू जाना पड़ता है. दे मस्ट लर्न हॉर्स राइडिंग, स्विमिंग, शूटिंग एंड मैनी मोर सच एक्टिविटीज़, और उनको सीखनी पड़ती हैं. इट्स अ कंपल्सरी थिंग फॉर देम. ओके, आई होप यू आर क्लियर विद मस्ट एंड हैव टू. Rest. Try worksheet number 5 to 9 at your homework. We will do in the next class on Wednesday.